So it's finally here after ordering it like 8 or 9 weeks ago. You know what? You can't rush excellence. This is my custom built Amiga 1200. I'll go over the specs later because I forgot what the hell I ordered. But it's from RetroPassion Limited in the UK. He shipped it out Monday morning and it's Wednesday afternoon. Actually, it was in the area yesterday morning like at 7:30, but it was too late to put on the truck. So technically, if it came a little earlier, I could have had it yesterday. But 2 days from the UK to New York City, pretty damn good. I just got home. Let me get myself relaxed, and then we'll do an unboxing. I don't have fancy cameras or table, or I got too many hobbies, and because of that, I don't have much space. I build drones, and my work area is basically just a table with all my drone parts. So I don't have any space to put in the Amiga. I don't have a computer room. I have a recording studio down in my basement. So that's off limits. So here we go. Opening up this box. I'm going to critique the packaging. Nothing looks damaged on the outside. Okay. There's a lot of styrofoam here. All right. There's my name. Let's see. What's this? This looks like the Amiga. Let's put this on the side. Packaging. I want to make sure I don't throw it on anything that's important. This looks like it's all okay. Looks like it's just this. So one of these has to be the power supply. One of these obviously is the Amiga. I got everything in here in frame. Okay. So I think that's everything. The rest just looks like packaging. As far as I can tell. Put that there. I think this is probably the mouse. Yep. And the compact flash. Yep. This is the compact flash adapter. 2-button mouse. What else is in here? That's it. We got that. This is most definitely the power supply. Yeah. Let's take this out. I'll need that. And that. I'll read the specs later. I had to look at the email and I totally forgot what it is I ordered. Alright. And then the Amiga. That looks like it came out. Okay. Whew. I don't know, I'm out of frame probably. Alright, I would have thought it was whiter, retro brighted. Looks very yellow. And something's loose in there. Don't know what that is. We'll have to investigate. All right. Okay. So, as you can see, I got a bit of a mess here. It started out as an empty room, only to be used for virtual reality. I mean, I still play it, but other shit kind of crept its way into here. Then I got into FPV. So this is like my work area for building and repairing. And then here's the Amiga 500 I bought and the 1084 monitor. It's the mono version, not the stereo. So that's what I've been playing for the last couple of months till I got this. So I'll go over the specs in a second. Let me just, I haven't hooked it up yet. I just plugged everything in. I don't know what that noise is in there, so I hope it's nothing. Maybe it's just a loose cable. We'll see. I wish the case was in better condition. I mean, it's not cracked or anything. It's nice, but as you can see, it's not white. It actually looks whiter in the video. Let me see if turn the lights on. Yeah, looks actually whiter in the video. The keys are kind of yellow. I don't know if that's the correct color scheme. It looks like it could have been used a little bit of retro brighting compared to my immaculate A500. I mean, that's the original color. That's not. That looks like it's aged a bit. But whatever. I guess part of the nostalgia. Okay, let me get the specs. So the specs, it's an A1200. It has the Terrible Fire 1232 68030 50 megahertz with 64 megabytes of RAM. It came with a 32 gigabyte SD card with interface and AGS. The Amiga ball mouse. 3.1 kickstart ROMs. The power supply. I'm here in the United States, so that's the US power spec. Go drive, which is right there. It's got the floppy disk. It's got the PCMCI transfer kit, which I have the card now. Came with a 1 gigabyte card. Also came with the 50 megahertz FPU on that accelerator card. And I think that's it. So let's turn this on for the first time. Let's see what happens. Crossing my fingers. Oh yeah, I got my. Okay, well, that's good. I'm using this LCD supports the 15 kilohertz, so I'm just using straight out native Amiga video. I also have a SCART to HDMI if I want to use this on another TV. But okay, welcome to Amiga Selector. That's good. So far, so good. I don't know if it's going to boot to Amiga Selector or the OS. Looks like the OS. Okay, so that's good. So that works. That's the 1 gigabyte. Actually, it's a 4 gigabyte. Should be 4 gigabyte. It's a 4 gigabyte compact flash card in there. What else? This is all part of the Amiga game selector. Let's go to tools. Let's see. Do I got sysinfo? Where could I see sysinfo? Where is sysinfo? Here we go. Sysinfo. Okay. Speed. Okay. Yep, the accelerator's on. It's working. Yeah, here's your specs here. Let's zoom in a little bit. Clock not found. Okay, no big deal. It's got, this is a PAL system. It's got the 2 meg chip RAM we see, 68030. It's clocked at 51.8. So it's actually higher than the CPU, which is good. There's the FPUs right there. Yep, that's there. All right, good. Let's see. Boards, no auto config found. All right, I guess it doesn't show up. Memory, total size 128. Huh, thought it came with 164. All right. Am I wrong here? Yeah, it says 128. Take the mouse off. Yeah, 128, that says. Interesting. Okay. Chip RAM, right? Yeah, it has a 128 megs of RAM. Does it say that on the... Yeah, 131 faster. I guess he gave me extra memory. All right, I'm not gonna. It's a fast machine. Everything seems pretty quick. Oh yeah, wait. Hold on. I should do. Let's see what the speed test is on that. On those drives. So let's do, I guess, DHO speed. Let's see. Sorry for this crappy 1.7. It's not so great. It's okay. I've seen higher than 2. Let's see. That's the compact flash. 1.7. I guess that's all right. It's all right. I've seen better. I don't know if there's a way to... Man, there's a lot of stuff here. Final copy. I haven't seen that in years. Wow, it's pretty quick. Cool. Yeah, that all works. Wow, it's nice. All right. All right. Amiga game select. Let's try this. This is what we want to see. All right. What could I play? You know what? I love this game. This is OCS. I want to see. I want to see AGA games, not demos. Games, AGA. Let's look at Zool. That one's like very colorful. Okay, pretty quick. Okay, that was very quick. I played this on the A500, but that's the enhanced. Wow, I'm never going to play the A500 again using the GoTech drive. Now they got this. Oh, come on. How freaking awesome is this? I suck. But it's alright. Awesome. What was it? Print screen with exit? There we go. Wow. All right. What else should I test? A floppy disk? Should I test I bought a bunch of floppies. Let's see if that works. All right. Yeah. Can we copy something to it? Let's copy something to it. I don't know. don't need to copy anything, do I? Oh look, it says boot. I didn't realize that it says. I didn't notice that. Boot to workbench, boot to. Okay, cool. All right, so the floppy seems to work. That's good. I bought the floppies at Ami64.com. Now, let's test the GoPro. The GoPro. God, see? I'm between FPV and Amiga. My brain's melding the two hobbies together. What am I going to put here? I got an AGA version of Zuvius 1200. Okay. So I put this to G and let's reboot. The Go drive works, mouse works, joystick port works, sound works, keyboard works, everything works. F1. Video looks great. Steve did a really good job. I'm going to say at this point, my only complaint is that the keys look yellow to me. They look a little yellow. But other than that, this is stellar. You know, everything's recapped. He does all his stuff that he advertises. This is also probably on the Amiga game selector. Push start button. AGA, nice. Oh my God, how many quarters did I spend on this game? Tony's Pizzeria, Queens, New York, Regal Park, Woodhaven Boulevard. He had this game for a while. This is exact. It's freaking exact. This is an awesome port. All right. That is pretty freaking awesome. What is this? Super Vesuvius? All right, this is from my buddy. You can see how it looks with the acceleration. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You're going down, mother. You're gone.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Really? Decision. Come on, I won.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah? The winner by technical lockout in 1 minute 20 seconds in the first round is me. Thank you. Awesome. I think that's it. I have nothing else to report other than check out RetroPassion Limited, based in the UK. What's this? Oh, that's another way to run. I got you. Okay. Oh, it's a tracker player. Cool. It's a mod player. I remember this. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Thanks to Steve at RetroPassion, and thanks for you watching this video and geeking out with me. Now I gotta figure out where the hell I'm putting it. Bye-bye.